We stayed in room 11092 on the MSC Meraviglia, and we loved this room. It was absolutely perfect for 2 people. You had a little bit of room between the couch and the closet for some suitcases or some bags, but also all of that storage under the bed. And in this particular room, there was a balcony, which this cruise was headed up to Canada, but we had some surprisingly nice weather, 65 and 70-degree days in New York and in Boston, so we tended to keep that balcony door open, which made the room feel even more spacious. I loved the lighting on either side of the bed. It was great that you don't have to get out of the bed to turn the light off at night. And the closet was just the right size for 2 people in this room. We did call and ask for more hangers, and they brought those right up to us. It had a couple shelves and a couple of drawers, so we each got one drawer for socks and underwear and the like. And then I thought the makeup area or the desk area was just perfect for one person being able to get ready while the other person is using the bathroom. This room had 3 hooks on the walls already, but we did bring some of our own, and that just made things even more convenient and just nice and tidy for being able to hang lanyards and jackets and hats on the wall or from the ceiling. The bathroom was definitely what you would expect in a cruise ship. They're not usually very big, but it was big enough for us to be able to hang our swimsuits and to tuck toiletries away. All in all, we were very pleased on this room, 11092.